Hi, CA Devesh here. Today we will discuss how to select mutual funds for investment. There are broadly 12 points which we will discuss in detail. Number 1 is we should invest only in index fund. First of all, we should understand what is index now. Index is Sensex and Nifty. Sensex has 30 companies, Nifty has 50 companies. Combined, these 80 companies represent the economy of this country, and these are the best companies in India. So when you invest in index fund, you are ultimately investing in these 80 companies. You are putting your money on these 80 companies. So you will end up getting best returns. Another point relates to index fund is in index fund you will not find frequent buy and sell by the fund managers, which will eventually save transaction cost and taxes and increase returns. On the other hand, if you invest in any other fund, you will find frequent buy and sell by the fund manager, which will increase transaction cost and taxes and decrease our returns. So it is highly recommended to go for index fund. Invest your hard earned money in index fund only. The next point, direct versus regular mutual fund. We should always go for direct mutual fund because in direct mutual fund there is no commission involved. In regular mutual fund you are going through a broker and commission is involved. So when you go for direct mutual fund you end up saving your commission cost. So always go for direct mutual fund. The next point is growth versus dividend mutual fund. It depends on the investor what he or she is looking for. What happens is when you invest in mutual fund company, that mutual fund company invests in shares or say companies. That shares or companies sometimes pay dividend. So what happens in growth mutual fund, that dividend is reinvested and your investment value increases. While in dividend mutual fund, that dividend is paid back to the investors like you and me. So if you are investing for the long term or you are young, then you should go for growth mutual fund. Your investment value will increase. And if you are on the verge of your retirement, you should go for dividend mutual fund because you may be in the need of money. The next point is check expense ratio. When we invest in mutual fund, we should thoroughly read the document of the mutual fund, especially the expense clause, because when we enter the mutual fund, we have to pay entry load, that is entry charges. When we exit the mutual fund, we have to pay an exit load, that is exit charges. And while we are in the mutual fund, we have to bear expenses like transaction costs, taxes, and whatnot. So, even 0.5 to 1% lower expense than any other fund can save lakhs of rupees in the long run. So, read the document carefully, check as many percent as you can, because I say it again, 0.5 to 1% lower expense can save lakhs of rupees in the long run. The next point is AUM. The lower the better. AUM is asset under management. What is asset under management now? This is the amount of money mutual fund company collects from the investors like you and me. So it is easy to manage small amount than the large amount. It is easy to manage 5,000 crore rupees and generate best returns than to manage 25 to 30,000 crores and generate that kind of return. So always go for lower AUM. The next point is diversification. Check in which mutual fund you are investing, whether they are diversifying your funds or not among major sectors like financials, telecom, oil and gas, and emerging sectors like electric vehicles. So when the market rises, you will get the taste of the returns of all the major sectors. The next point is the mutual fund company in which you are investing should have minimum 10 years of experience in the mutual fund industry, because you cannot trust new company, right? So we need to check the experience of the mutual fund company and decide accordingly. The next point is fund manager reputation. By far this is the most important point. Why? Because fund manager reputation is very important. Frequent change in fund managers is not acceptable. You may think you are investing in a mutual fund company, but who manages the fund? Mutual fund manager manages the fund. So if there is frequent change, then your money is in wrong hands. So therefore check whether the mutual fund manager is intact in the organization or not. If not, then ignore that kind of fund. The next point is manager should be clean in all respect. What does clean in all respect mean? Clean in all respect means there should not be any charges by the SEBI against the manager. Or the next point is past performance of the mutual fund. Obviously, when you invest in mutual fund, you should check the past performance of the fund, track the returns of the quarterly, monthly, and decide accordingly. The last point is we should not invest in any mutual fund company against which charges or litigation is going on by SEBI, or so we should ignore that kind of fund. So these are the 12 points which we should check while investing in mutual fund. That's it for now. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.